Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the HURZMORO 4-tier round cupcake tower stand, a beautifully handcrafted piece that showcases the natural beauty of acacia wood, perfect for adding a farmhouse touch to your home. This unique cupcake stand can hold up to 50 cupcakes, each under 1.75 inches in diameter, with three 8.3-inch diameter trays each accommodating 9 cupcakes and a larger 12-inch tray on top that can hold more than 20 cupcakes or even an 8 to 12-inch cake. Inspired by the shape of a flower, the lower 3 tiers resemble petals, while the top tier represents the bloom, making your desserts look like a blossoming flower, distinctive and elegant for any occasion. Ideal for various events, this stand is perfect for weddings, graduations, birthdays, baby showers, and more, fitting seamlessly into any party theme with its rustic charm. The stand is easy to assemble and disassemble, featuring 5 acacia wood plates, 5 rods, 12 facing rings, 8 screws, and an instruction manual, ensuring stability and convenience for storage and reuse. Whether you're hosting a housewarming party or setting up a dessert table for Thanksgiving, this cupcake tower stand is a versatile addition to your decor. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product showcases. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.